Hey everyone, check out the Swix PS7 Violet Pro Speed Ski and Snowboard Iron-On Wax designed for warm snow conditions from -2 to -8 degrees Celsius or 28 to 18 degrees Fahrenheit. This 180-gram bar features a hydrocarbon glide wax formula perfect for training, recreational racing, and everyday ski maintenance. Applying it is simple. Just melt the wax onto your ski or snowboard base with an iron, let it cool, then scrape and brush for a smooth finish. The fluorocarbon-free formula is FIS competition approved, meeting strict international ski racing regulations. Developed by Swix, this wax benefits from decades of Scandinavian expertise and World Cup racing support since 1946. Whether you're hitting the slopes for fun or competition, the PS7 provides reliable glide and performance. Stay fast and enjoy your time on the snow with this trusted wax formula. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.